Welcome back to the Natural Health and Life channel. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to be notified of the latest videos. A healthy drink that will cleanse your arteries. The increase in heart disease is often considered as a result of clogged arteries. In order to keep all the system working fine, it is essential that the blood circulation through arteries is working smoothly. That is why regular cleansing of arteries should be a part of our health routine. This old German recipe only uses 3 ingredients: garlic, lemon and ginger. As we all know, garlic is one of the healthiest foods on the planet, and it has powerful antiseptic, antiviral and antibacterial properties. Its active ingredient, allicin, provides countless health benefits. It is also high in vitamin C, B6, manganese, and fiber. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, and it boosts the immune system, regulates the pH levels in the body, prevents various diseases, and alkalizes the body. Ginger has potent anti-inflammatory properties, as it contains curcumin, gingerols, capsaicin, salicylate, caffeic acid, and beta-carotene. It soothes pain, helps digestion, treats inflammation, and helps in the case of various diseases. To prepare this recipe, you will need 4 lemons, unpeeled, 4 garlic cloves, 1.5-inch ginger root, 2 liters of filtered water. Wash the lemons, garlic and ginger well before cutting them into slices. Blend all ingredients into a mixer. Then, move the mix into a pan, and warm it up. Include the water and stir up until it boils. Remove it from heat and leave it to cool. Strain and pour the mixture into bottles and store them in the refrigerator. Drink a glass of this mix twice daily, once in the morning, on an empty stomach, and in the evening, a few hours before going to bed. Shake the bottle before consumption, as the ginger will probably remain on the bottom. Note that the cooking procedure will remove the strong garlic odor, as well as the flavor of the ginger and the lemon. Enjoy the benefits of this powerful mix to boost your overall health. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment below. Don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. For more healthy recipes, subscribe to our channel.